Hello everyone. Now I am welcoming all of you for this class on departmental accounts. Now first we will see the meaning of departmental accounts. Here you can see that a departmental undertaking having different departments may want to know not only the overall results of the firm but also the results of each department. So first we will understand the meaning of this. Suppose if a business has different departments and if it wants to know the result of the overall result of the firm as well as the result of each department, then they have to follow this departmental accounts. To attain this objective, it keeps the accounts to know both these. Both these here refers to the overall results of the firm or the business. At the same time, the results of different departments. Here you can see. So such accounts which show the results of all the departments individually and also of the firm as a whole are called departmental accounts. So basically we can understand that departmental accounts are prepared to know the overall result of the business as well as the result of each and every department. Now, what exactly the uses or the objectives? Or if we put a question why they are prepared, from this meaning only we can develop these points. Number one, to know the trading result of each department. Number two, to compare the trading result of one department with another. This is very important in a business. Assume that department A is doing fine, but department B is undergoing loss. But if we consider only the overall result of the firm, then there may be profit. But that profit or positive result is only from the efforts of department A. But department B may not be doing good. So to compare two departments or three departments, the result of each of those departments, this departmental account is needed. Then to reward the departmental managers based on the results. So naturally one who performs well should be rewarded. For that departmental accounts are needed. Then the fourth objective is to help the management to formulate policies and take action based on results of each department. Suppose if any particular department is not doing fine, then they have to think as to how they can improve that particular department, and if need be, they can change the formulas. They can change the policies, formulate new policies, or take appropriate measures that are needed. So these are the objectives of departmental accounts. Now, if at all I have to prepare the departmental accounts, then all expenses and incomes have to be apportioned or allocated to different departments. So all the items, expenses as well as incomes, have to be apportioned. Then on what basis it should be apportioned? So these are the items and this is the basis of apportionment or allocation. So suppose if we take staff salary, that will be divided based on staff members. Labor welfare expenses, canteen expenses, then supervisory salary, then recreation expenses. So all these based on the number of laborers or supervisors or staff members who are there in a particular department. Then next set of expenses, that is bad debts, advertisement, carriage outward, not inward, outward, discount allowed. So all these will be based on net sales. Then what do you mean by net sales? That is sales minus returns minus interdepartmental sales. We will understand this interdepartmental sales later on, and from the previous semesters we can definitely recall the meaning of sales as well as returns, that is sales returns. So this particular point, that is interdepartmental sales, we will understand in the next classes. Then regarding rent, repairs, insurance of building, depreciation on building, etc. will be depending on the floor area. That is, each department has how much area. So depending on that, rent, repairs, etc. will be allocated. Then freight charges, carriage inward, import duty, freight, etc. which are related to purchases will be allocated based on the net purchases. Once again, net purchases means purchase minus returns minus interdepartmental purchases. Again, I am telling that we will focus on this particular point later on, that is interdepartmental purchases or sales. Now we will just keep in our mind that net purchases means purchase minus returns minus interdepartmental purchases. We have understood the meaning of purchase, we have understood the meaning of returns in the previous semesters. Only the extra point we have to understand is this interdepartmental purchases or sales, that we will see later. Then next one is insurance, that is based on value of assets insured. What is the value of asset insured? So based on that we have to allocate these expenses. Then lighting, that is electricity charges, depends on meter reading, actual meter reading of each department, or light points, how many light points are there in each department, or floor area. This depends upon the information given in the problem. So based on the problem we have to solve. Then depreciation, this depends on value of machines in each department. What is the value of machine? Based on that we have to calculate the depreciation for each department. Then some of the points we have to here understand, that is interest on capital, interest on debentures, general manager's salary, not staff salary who work in different departments, but it is general manager who is common for all the departments. Audit fees, director's fees, bank charges, legal charges, sundry expenses, etc. So we cannot allocate to different departments all these expenses on any particular criteria. So we have to take the net sales as the basis, or there is a practice that those items which we cannot allocate to departments can be taken in general P&L account. That means in addition to the departmental accounts, separate trading and profit and loss account for each department, in addition to that we may have to prepare general P&L account also to consider such items like this which we cannot allocate to departments. Or we can also have the choice of taking these expenditure and allocating them on the basis of net sales. Okay, coming to incomes. So discount received. Discount received is definitely related to purchases, so that is allocated based on net purchases. Then reserve for discount on creditors. Creditors arises because we purchase the goods on credit basis. That means it depends on purchases, so the basis is net purchases. Commission earned on sales. Sometimes we may sell on behalf of some other business, some other firm, for which if we get commission, then that will be based on net sales. Then dividends received, transfers fees received, so other incomes. It may be divided equally to all the departments, or once again, like these expenses, we can take them in general profit and loss account. So this is some hints. These are some of the hints on which we have to prepare the departmental accounts. And departmental accounts will be comprising of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. In the next video, I will say about how to calculate or how to prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So those points we will see in the next video. Thank you.